What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to convert your halogen bulbs to LED bulbs. This is done on a 2001 Ford Ikon, which is similar to 4th generation Ford Fiestas and the Ford Bantoms. What you see here right in front of you is a T10 LED bulb, which is in the same size as W5W. To begin the process of removing the headlamp, there are 30 screws which can be found. I have used a flat screwdriver, but star screwdriver also work. The first one will be found on the fender. Number 2 and 3 will be found behind your grille. After removing the 30 screws, all that needs to be done to remove the headlight is to pull it up past the bumper. Once the headlight is out, you can unplug it or just keep it and make sure that it doesn't fall. After that, remove the dust cover. The old halogen parking light bulb can easily be removed. To reinsert the LED bulb, you need to just place the bulb in. A little bit of force needs to be applied, seeing as the base of the LED is a bit thicker than the normal halogen bulb. Once the LED is installed, you want to make sure that the LED bulb is facing 12 and 6 o'clock. The reason for that is this is a reflective headlight, and if the LED is facing 9 and 3, the LED will blind oncoming traffic, which is not what you want to do. But if you've got LEDs in your high beams, low beams, high and low beams, you want to make sure it faces 3 and 9. Reason for that is reflective housing, and if it's facing 12 and 6, it will reflect the light will reflect against the nearest part, and number one, you won't see as good as on the road, and you will definitely blind oncoming drivers. If I confuse you a little bit, a good rule of thumb is for your parking light bulbs, if they are near to the reflector parts of your headlight, you want it to be 12 and 6. If they are further away, 9 and 6, 9 and 3 should work. But for your main headlights, your high and low beams, you will always want them to be facing 3 and 9. Installing a light is as simple by just reversing the process. Place the headlight in, place the 3 screws in. But you want to make sure that it lines up, that the screws properly go in. This is how it's working now. It's a much bigger upgrade compared to the halogen bulbs. Unfortunately, with the camera it's impossible to see the bulb. This is how it looks with parking lights on, low beams on, and fog lights on. This is the before, after, This is the bulb, and here's one last picture in, and have a good one.